Hi everyone, my name is Akimba and yeah, I'm back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm decided to do for you the special 2-in-1 bottle rocking Flair routine. So I'm doing this routine in the my BARMAN show, when I'm in some extra place where I have no any mats, and you can't to drop any objects. So I'm doing it 10 times from the 10 tries. Easy but so beautiful move and so beautiful routine. You can use it behind the bar, even you can use it in the BARMAN show, and also you can upgrade it for yourself for the competitions. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and like this video. Also follow to my Instagram profile to watch any tutorials that I post before. So the sequence look like this, guys. So the first step just easy. You need to catching by your fingers the shaker without the speed. You just controlling the shaker. Look, my fingers stay like this. 3 fingers stay here and 2 fingers controlling the shaker inside. And I can do this move. So I'm doing from the left to the right. I'm right-handed and I'm doing from the left side to the right. So from the left side, I'm throw the shaker and just catching, I'm throw without the spin. And I'm catching the tin like this, like my 2 fingers. It's a middle and ring finger. Yeah. So after this, the next step, I'm just throwing from left to left, just the bottle. Then I do this move. Easy move from left side to right side. I'm throwing, catching first this tin doing just half of the spin, and that's it. And this doing the 2 spins. Look, I'm just watching first to this tin, only to this one, and just catching. And then I'm catching this one, yeah. Then I'm go with the bottle around my head, and then just changing the grip, yeah. Then I'm changing the objects and starting to do the pour. At the same time, I'm helping to separate tins by my index finger in my left hand, like pouring 1 toss, 2nd toss, and then look, my finger goes here, and I just do the simple finger L. I'm just turning the bottle here, putting my thumb and do the pour from this side. Look. Yeah, that's it. After this, usually I'm doing the dragon tail. You know this move, I think, this one. I hope you're enjoying this move. You can start to do this move in your sequences as well, because the move really clean, really easy, and you can do it everywhere. You don't need any space for this move because everything in front of you. Just some simple moves, but looks great and so different. So guys, use it for yourself, make the really good tips. Don't forget to drop the comments under this video. How many times you need to learn this move. Write your time, and I will comment you as well. See you in the next video.